Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites, level, stats, and required items. Once done, equip your highest XP affecting gear and activate any 1/2 or +% XP consumables. Start with a short warm-up run to confirm spawn routes and enemy levels. This saves time later. You want predictable encounters, so set a 30-60-minute focus session and place timers. Make sure to join a squad if group XP bonuses apply, because cooperative kills often yield faster Shikai experience gains. Now you optimize how you gain XP. Focus on high-value targets that grant Shikai experience and string combos for bonus multipliers. Once engagements become routine, swap to faster area clears. Shorter fights with more kills beat slow bosses for raw XP. Rotate zones every 10 to 15 minutes to prevent spawn timers or diminishing returns from slowing progress. Make sure to use mobility and AoE skills that speed clear time, while still ensuring you get final hit or credit for each enemy. To finish, always claim final rewards and immediately log XP gains so you can evaluate efficiency. Once done, compare XP per hour against previous runs and adjust routes, consumable timing, or squad composition to improve next session. If you hit a stall, no XP from kills, reset the instance or zone and re-equip your gear. Often credit bugs clear after a reset. Make sure to test one change at a time, because small tweaks reveal what truly raises your Shikai experience rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.